Hi Cody. So I don't know if you need to do the correlation, the covariance or the correlation coefficient if you need that done in Excel, but I'll show you how to do in Excel. For one thing, all you need to know is the command. So what I've done is I've put in the values that you were using, and then the first thing to do the correlation coefficient, you would do equal, then Correl, and then you're going to put, they're called an array, so it's A2 and then colon A6 and then comma B2 colon B6 and then enter. Sorry, I spelled that wrong. It's C-O-R-E-L-L, not C-O-R-E-L-L. So by the way, if you ever get that thing, that just means there's probably a spelling wrong or maybe there's a space wrong. So there's your correlation coefficient, and then if you want to do the covariance, you would again do the same thing, but covariance, covariance.s, and then you're going to do that array again, so it's A2 to A6, comma B2 to B6, and then enter. Now, if you ever want to change like what is in that data display, you can, so this is like only to 2 points. What you can do is you would, I'm sorry, I'll show you how to do that again. You actually right click and go to Format Cells. And this is just the general, but if you want a number and you want just specific decimal place, you can bring it up to 3, 4, 5, or whatever, and use OK, and then it will go up to that many decimal places. I don't know how far you have to round it to, if you have to round it, but that can help you to get to the different decimal places. So again, we have the correlation coefficient and we have the covariance, and this is how you do it in Excel. I hope that helps. If you want me to show you how to do it where you calculate it all out, I can do that as well. Have a good night.